In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, USB debugging remains hidden within the developer options on your phone, and developer options are actually hidden. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. You're going to be on your control panel, and then on the top right, click the settings wheel cog icon. Now from here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see about phone at the very bottom. So go into that, and then you're going to tap your build number 7 times, and a message is going to appear saying you're now a developer. So as you can see, I have developer options available. When it says you're now a developer, go back to this area, then go to developer options at the very bottom. Now over here, all you got to go ahead and do is scroll down to the debugging section. And then once you find it, you're going to see USB debugging as one of the options. So all you want to do is tap OK. It's going to say allow USB debugging. Go ahead and press OK, and it says debug mode when USB is connected is now enabled. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. You can turn it off anytime you want to as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well.